Want to mirror your phone screen to your Jio set-top box? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone and your Jio set-top box are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is required for screen casting to work properly. Go to Jio set-top box, settings the network, and confirm connected to same Wi-Fi. After Wi-Fi connection now on your Android smartphone, swipe down to open the quick settings panel and tap Cast, Screencast, or Smart View in Samsung phone. Your phone will start searching for nearby compatible devices. When your Jio set-top box appears in the list, tap on it. If a pairing request appears on your TV, confirm it using your Jio remote. Within a few seconds, your phone screen will be mirrored to your TV. You can now enjoy photos, videos, presentations, or even mobile games on the big screen. If your Jio set-top box doesn't appear in the device list, check that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.